Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because we have my November subscription boxes. We have two from Boxycharm and one from Ipsy, and we are going to unbox them together. Now, before we jump into this, if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications to new videos, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. But if you want to see what we got in our subscription box for November, just keep watching. Okay, you guys, if you've been here before, you know I like to start off with Ipsy because I only have one of them, and this time it is the Ipsy Glam Bag X, which they do, I think, quarterly, and it is usually curated by someone that they select. Okay, so this box is curated by Becky G. They give you a pamphlet and it has a whole bunch of details on it. There's an interview with her, and then she has selected a whole bunch of different products for you to try out. Now, the first thing that I see in here, this is the Kate Somerville Delicate Soothing Cleanser. I do like Kate Somerville's products. A lot of really nice ingredients in her skincare. Now, in the book, usually it tells you what each product, details about it, price, all of that. Now, this one is not in there. It's a different Kate Somerville product in there, but it's not the same. But let's see what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. Just a regular squeeze tube. These I like because I can I'll keep 3 or 4 of them in my shower and I rotate through them. Just because if I use the same product over and over and over, my skin no longer reacts to it and I'm not acne prone anymore. But sometimes if I just continue to use the same product without switching it up, I'll start to get acne and I'm just like, that ain't cute. So I'll add this to my shower stuff. But I'm kind of bummed that there's not like a price for it. The price in here for the other item, which is the Acne Mark Fading Gel with salicylic acid, that one retails for $68. So I think this might be similar and they might have ran out of that product itself. Okay, another item that we have, this is the Liss Beauty Think Bright Glow and Hydrate Serum with vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. I actually think I have this and haven't opened it yet. Oh yeah, this looks really similar. If it is something that I already have, you know it goes into the giveaway drawer. But this is also not in the details. So I don't know what's going on here. Okay, next we have the Moon Rocks Whipped Body Scrub from Truly. I love Truly products. I have a couple of their items in the shower and for like post-shower care. This has Blue Tansy, Lavender, Dreamcatcher Oil, and Jojoba Oil Boost. It's vegan, clean, high-performing, animal cruelty-free, made in USA with global ingredients. That is a very blue body scrub. I'm interested to know what it smells like though. Oh, it smells like the blue raspberry bubble yum blow pops. Okay. Also, not in the brochure. I have no idea. Like, I'm kind of bummed that none of the details are in there because I usually tell you guys how much the box totals and I have no details. Okay, now we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Loose Setting Powder. You guys, I have this in the shade Translucent, which is what this is. This retails for $38. This one is mine and I have barely gone through it, but this will end up in the giveaway for you guys. Next, I have a product from Chesluche Beauty. This is the Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade Champagne Sips. So it doesn't say how much the lip gloss is, but it does have a liquid lipstick in here, which is $22. So I would think that they're similar. Now, let's see. Does this have a scent? Oh, it smells like vanilla. That is a really big doe foot applicator. Ooh. I have a lot of lip gloss on right now, but I will definitely try this out. And I love the aesthetic of this, the blue. Oh, stunning. Next we have the Tris Luce Beauty Liquid Lip Tint. Okay, so this one is $22 and this one's in the shade Amore. Ooh, that shade is stunning, and you know I have been using a lot of red lips. This one smells like makeup. Actually, it kind of smells like berries. That is a really pretty shade. I will try this out very soon. Okay, I found the lip gloss. It retails for $18. I just thought it was all on the same page. Okay, next we have the Sculpt Lift Bar from Skin Inc. This retails for $125. What the heck? I have one from Skin Inc., but not this one. So this is what it looks like. And it's supposed to like pulse and massage. Oh yeah, so this is like to push up and smooth. And it has a neat little bag to travel with. Last item in here, you guys, and I absolutely love this brand, and their eyeshadow palettes smell delicious. This is the Too Faced Sweet Peach eyeshadow palette. I think I have this. Let me look. And of course I do, so this is going in the giveaway. But so you guys can see what it looks like. Oh, it smells so delicious. This is the color story. So this will be in the giveaway for December. Okay guys, now I don't have the prices for all the items. I will see if I can find them on the Ipsy website or even look up on each of the products websites, and I will put the total of the box on the screen somewhere here, just because I don't currently have it and it can take a second to try and track down all that information. I don't pay a lot for my Ipsy subscriptions, and they charge me like an extra like $10, $15 for the curated boxes, which maybe I spend $50, but just based off of one product alone, this was $125. This box is at least $300 or $400. So I'm interested to see how much it is. I will get you guys a total. I will put it on the screen. Look below for a link if you're interested in getting your own subscription boxes, because I have found some amazing products from using the subscription boxes. Okay, you guys, and now we are into Boxycharm. Now, with Boxycharm, I get the base box and premium, and also quarterly they'll put out a extra elevated box. So let's see what we have today. Okay, so this is the base box, and I know that because the inside of the box is pink. This one also gives us a little card, and the theme is it's giving, giftable glam. Okay, so the first thing I have in here, this is the Biro Fig Renewal Oil. This retails for $72. Nourishing dry oil that offers complete skin renewal, resulting in silky, soft, and effortlessly ageless skin. Intoxicating fusion of wildly fresh fig, jojoba oil, pro-floral concentrate, and omega-rich superfoods revitalizes and nourishes your youthful, plumping dimension. It said it's salad infused. I don't think it's popping up because salad infused beauty. What? I hope there's not a salad in this box when I open it up. I love the aesthetic of this bottle. Now let's see. Does it have a scent? If there's a scent, I don't smell it, which is fine. I don't think a lot of face products like serums and all that, they don't need to be scented. They're going on your face and usually underneath makeup or whatnot. We have the Luna Magic Hydrating Lip Balm, Mango and Cherry. This retails for $16. Okay, so it's just little lip balms. Do I need more lip balm? No. I'm gonna actually put this in the giveaway for you guys. I have a whole drawer of lip balms, you guys, that I barely get to go through. So this will go in the giveaway. Okay, I really love this brand. This is the Ofra Midi Palette Face It. This retails for $35. Oh, it's got contour, highlighter, and bronzer. Yes, I love that. Okay, absolutely a contour. Love the bronzer shade, and then their highlighters, stunning. Actually, I haven't been reaching for their highlighters. I need to though. They have some of the smoothest, butteriest highlighter shades. Okay, we have the Velvet Lip Liner from Ciate London, and this is in the shade Cocoa. This retails for $18, and it's not, like, it's cool tone shade. I will probably keep this because it looks like it might be a shade that I would use. And at first I wasn't sure. It's leaning more red. It's not super cool tone like I thought. And last item in here, we have the Realer Metallic Eyeliner Duo. I don't do metallic eyeliner, which is not a bad thing because one of you guys will get this in the giveaway. But let's see what shades are in this box. Oh yeah. I'm really not using this. They're pretty. I don't reach for them. I have a drawer of eyeliners that are not matte black, and I don't reach for them. But they are blue and like a bronze. So one of you will be getting them. And these retail for $30. Let me go ahead and total up this box for you. Okay, for a box that I only spent about $25 on, this box totaled $171. And there's some products in here that I know the brands, I love them, and then there's some brands that I don't know and I'll get to try out. Like this fig oil. Okay, and the last Boxycharm, this one, it's a little bit bigger, but I think this one is premium. It is, and I know that because it's got the blue on the inside, but then it also says it right there. Now, there is a card that gives us the information. Also, same thing, giftable glam. I feel like this is deja vu. And that happens, but it just works out for you guys because it ends up in the giveaway. First thing I have in here, this is the Luce Always Suave Lip Scrub. This retails for $14, and this is in the shade Strawberry Scent shade. We'll find out. Ooh, so it has the exfoliating granules in here. It has like a subtle hint of strawberry, but I love these. When I get ready for bed, after I brush my teeth, I will do the exfoliator. Love these. I have the Iconic London Precision Duo Contour Pot. This is in the shade Light Shadow and retails for $29. Oh, it's so like tiny. Oh, there's two of them. That's why. Okay. Let me, 2-in-1 cream and powder contour pots for a natural lifted look. Okay, so this one right here is powder, and then this one has to be cream. I needed new contour. Like I am at the end with my Kevyn Aucoin sculpting powder. So I'm interested to try this out. We will have to try this in one of my next videos because I'm gonna need this real quick and in a hurry, and it looks like it's cool toned, so it'll be my shade, hopefully. We'll try it. We have the Kate Somerville Eradicate Daily Foaming Cleanser, and it's an acne treatment. I'm not prone to acne. Luke is though, and I'll probably give this to him. This retails for $44. And that's the one thing is like I have skincare stuff and I don't always use it because it doesn't necessarily work on my skin. So when he needed a new skin cleanser, I just went through the bin that I have and gave him what I had that would work for him. Okay, so this is an acne treatment. Medicated foaming acne cleanser is formulated with 3% sulfur to help clear and prevent blemishes and draw impurities to unclog congested pores. Oh, this would be perfect for him. I don't even have to look. I don't even have to tell you how much this is. We already know it. This is the Skin Ink Sculpt Lift Bar. $125. Guess where this is going? This is going straight into the giveaway. We have two more items in here. This is the Saint Luxe lip liner duo. These two shades, brown and red. I have plenty of red shades right now and I don't need another brown one. So this is going in the giveaway for you guys. This retails for $38. I do like their lip liners. I've used them before. I have them in a couple different shades. They are so creamy and just so nice. Last item, and I feel like I have this one. This is the Complex Culture Executive Level Mascara 5-in-1 Lengthening. Guess what, you guys? I have it right here. So this one will go in the giveaway and I will show you what it's all about. I really like this one. That's just what the wand looks like. And it is a really nice mascara. Just goes on nicely. My eyelashes really like it. So that is it for that box. Now let me go ahead and total it up and see what this box is worth. Oh my goodness, you guys. This box totaled $270. What? I absolutely love getting my subscription boxes and I'm never disappointed. Even if I've tried something, there's always something in there that I haven't tried before. I've seen and I thought about purchasing, but I waited and there was just something that told me to wait. And then when I get duplicate items, they go to one of you guys in the giveaway. Now, stay tuned for a future video where I will actually do the giveaway. I know that there's a couple more things that I'm waiting for. And if there's any spares, duplicates, whatnot, they're going in that giveaway and we will do it in December. But you guys, that is it for the subscription boxes. Let me know, do you get Boxycharm and Ipsy, and did you get any of the similar items? Did you get something different? I want to know. Let me know what you got. Let me know if you're going to pick up any of these subscription boxes in the future. But that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell for notifications of new videos. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Until my next video, you guys. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.